So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD USD. So let's start first. To those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please, you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD USD. So let's see what AUD USD is actually going to be giving us. First thing first, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what a trend is. Remember, first thing is to know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. Now, when you take a look at this AUD USD, what can you see the trend is on your AUD USD, right? What can you see the trend is on your AUD USD? It is very clear and it is very simple. AUD USD is in an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. Now, this is the movement. This is the impulsive move that AUD USD did give us. Here comes the pullback, which is the higher low. AUD USD was able to give us another impulsive move. This is the pullback phase. Then it was able to push up again to give another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase, right? Okay, this is the pullback phase. Now, if you take a look at what market did, right? The market eventually did give us another impulsive move that literally took out this previous high right here. Now, this is the pullback right here. So market has given us a pullback. So with this pullback the market has given us, we expect it to continue to push up to give us a new impulsive move. Remember, once it gives you the impulsive move, it tends to give a pullback. After the pullback, then the impulsive move will continue. Now, this is a pullback, and now we are and the impulsive move is now playing out. So we would expect it to continue till it is able to fully and finally take out this high by giving us a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting. So by the time market comes back to this equal high, that will be about between 99 to 100 pips. Above all, a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting on AUD USD. Make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates, like and share. So the best thing you can do is to go in for the buy or your buy position. Now guys, a buy bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting.